Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DCAE, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Maimo Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the device icon right here to open the device page. And on it you should see, on it you should see your Maimo watch DCAE rather. And under the watch, you should see the watch face category. You can tap on it to open the whole category. So you can tap on this arrow or on the box itself, like this. It will open the watch face menu. Here we have the local watch faces, so the ones that are already installed on our watch. But we can tap on online right here to change the category, and it will open the online store. And here we can download some additional watch faces. So find the watch face you would like to use and tap on it, then tap on upload and use. It will start downloading, and after it's done, it should be applied on our watch. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, the watch face has been applied, and we can go back. And if you now go to local, it should appear right here on the list of installed watch faces. So you can switch to it quite quickly if you just tap on it and tap on apply. If you used different one in the meantime, and like if you decide to use something else and then come back to it, let's say it like that. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.